Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to make $85 a day with just viral videos. We're going to do that right here on this video. So I always want to bring value. I always want to make sure you guys get the best strategies to start earning income online. But also what I want you to do though is hit that subscribe right there below, hit that bell. That way you get notified of all the videos that I come out with to you on a daily basis here on YouTube. So what I want to do though, I want to just kind of draw this out for you. I got a little pen here that I'm going to use to draw out, and let me just get my pen up because I want to just break it down for you so you really understand it. So viral videos, okay? If you're not familiar with viral videos are videos that people post and then they spread like wildfire. People share them, they like them, it goes crazy, and one of the best viral videos are going to be animal videos. Okay, if you haven't seen animal videos, people go nuts over animal videos. So in this strategy, I'm going to talk to you about how to find specific dog videos. Okay, dog videos on YouTube, and we're going to post them on Facebook because they go absolutely nuts. People share them, they go crazy. So what we're going to do is you're going to find a video on YouTube, and I'm going to show you how to do that here in a second. So stay with me. But what we do though is here's our Facebook fan page. Okay, so we got our Facebook. This could be your profile, fan page, whatever you want to do. And we're going to post a dog video, a very funny dog video right here. Okay, so this is the dog video. Now from this dog video, we're going to place a simple link right here. Okay, now this link is going to go to a niche blog. Okay. It's important that you do that. Now, getting a niche blog together is really easy. You can just set up WordPress. If you want to use WordPress.com, if you want to use Blogger, if you want to use Tumblr, you can do that. I recommend using WordPress.com or WordPress.org that you create yourself, because you can create links down the side of the niche blog here. Now, this niche blog is going to be all about, let's say, dog training. Okay. Because people that love dogs and they go crazy over dogs, what you want to do is get people that are interested in training their dogs, how to train their dogs better, how to get their dogs to quit barking or peeing in the house or all that good stuff. So what we're going to have is a niche blog here. Okay, so niche blog, okay, dog training. And you're going to have some context here, some articles maybe, and then you're going to have these links right here. Okay, so these links are going to go to the money page. Okay, so this is going to be the money page. This is how you're going to be making the money from these links. The reason why you go to a niche website is, number one, Facebook loves when you go to content-driven sites. If you try to send people to, let's say, an opt-in form or lead page, it's not going to be the same effect as sending them to a dog training. Now, you can also do the same thing with Facebook ads. Okay, so Facebook ads can go straight to a niche blog too. When you go Facebook ads to a niche blog, you pay really cheap clicks for that. If you go Facebook ads to a lead page or landing page, you're going to pay more clicks. Now, obviously, you want the lead, and the lead's going to be more important, but you can send people to a dog training right here and then on to the money site. This is kind of ugly right here, but this is the money site right here. All right, so let me show you exactly what we do here. So we're going to clear this. I'm going to close this out. First of all, you want to find something to promote that you want to put on your niche blog site. You can go to ClickBank. You can go to OfferVault. Okay, so OfferVault's another good one. OfferVault. All right, you can find all kinds of different offers here. I mean, there's 85,000 results in OfferVault. But let's just say for ClickBank, we'll use this. It says, what I did was I typed in dog training right here and find products, and then I hit the gravity, and this one popped up right here. So this is Doggy Dan's online trainer. Okay. So if we look at Doggy Dan's online trainer, ClickBank offer, okay, this is a really good site. So you get the people that are super excited about their viral video. They go to your niche blog site, you talk about dog training, and you send people to this link right here. By the time they get to here, they're ready to buy it. They're ready to get set up. And you make $85 per sale right here. Okay, that's huge. And the average rebuild total is $127. Okay, that's huge amounts of money right there. So we're just talking about $85 per sale, not to mention the rebuilds on top of that. Okay, so you got a potential to make quite a bit of money from just one sale here at Doggy Dan's online training. So what we're going to do is we'll go to Facebook. We'll go to YouTube. When you go to YouTube, type in this to the search bar. Type in funny dogs, comma, Creative Commons after that. And then you do a search. Now, first of all, we want to find funny dog videos, and then we want to find Creative Commons, meaning we can take the videos and we can republish them. So if we look at this video right here, okay, so this is going to be the first one that pops up here. So this is going to be some funny videos of some dogs here. Okay, these go absolutely nuts on Facebook when you post them. So we look at it here at the bottom. It says license. It says Creative Commons attributes, reuse allowed. That means you can reuse these videos. So what we'll do is you can take this video and you can go to YouTube editor right here. You just take the copy the link right here. You put it in here. I think this is the right link. Let's just make sure. Okay, so video is being processed. What this means is it's grabbing the video from YouTube right here. Okay, and then you can download this to your computer, and then all you do is re-upload that to your Facebook fan page. Okay, people are gonna go crazy with that video. They're gonna like it, and you get to share it. And then all you have to do is send all your traffic from Facebook to your niche blog site. Okay, your niche blog site would be all about dog training, because that's gonna be how really people, if they like their dogs, they like the dog or they like the dog video, and it goes viral, your link is going to be connected to that video, and it's going to go to your niche site. And from your niche site, you send people to your ClickBank offer, and that's where you're going to be making your money. And you could, if you really get a ton of traffic coming from your viral video, you can make way more than just one sale a day. We're talking 2 or 3 sales a day going through your niche blog. Okay, so there you go. But if you like this video, click on it, share it with your friends, comment below. Let me know how I can help your business. This is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you on the next.